Today, let's learn about it. Manufacturing process of Slat wooden acoustic panel. Before starting any steps, blow away any impurities from the wooden strips. The first step is for the worker to place the wooden strip on the machine operation platform. Then the workers will adjust the position of the wooden strips so that they are placed flat in the machine. Step 2. The workers will cover the polyester board on the wooden strip. Afterwards, the machine will drive nails into the polyester board and wooden strips. Let's take a look at the entire processing environment. Step 3. Workers will neatly stack the products processed by the machine together. Let's take a look at the effect of the processed product.
Hello, this is Alina, and this is our factory-made product, Slat wooden acoustic panel. We have our normal size is 60 by 240 cm, and thickness is 2.1 cm. And also, if you want other size, you can tell us. And we have many colors and tools. And it's show time and display our product.
Step 4. Workers package the produced products and prepare for shipment. The final form after packaging. Our host is introducing the materials used for packaging to ensure the safety of the product during transportation. Through the above 4 steps, the Slat wooden acoustic panel is produced. Thank you for listening.